If you have data in one Google Sheet, but you need information from a different sheet, VLOOKUPs can help. And in our example, we'll take a list of orders and add product prices to it, which are actually stored somewhere else. So in my order sheet, I'll start my VLOOKUP formula. And my search key, the first thing I've got to provide, is going to be my product key. That's what I'm going to be looking for in the other sheet. That's how I connect the two sheets together. Then I'll add a comma to the formula and go to the products worksheet. And I'm going to select all three columns as my range. Again, that's got to include the product ID and the price. Both have to be in my selection. And the price, though, has to be listed first because it's how we're connecting the two sheets together. Then I'll add another comma, and my index will be 3 because price, what I want to pull in the other sheet, is in the third column of this range. Now I'll close it with a parentheses, and then I'll double-click the bottom right corner of the cell to drag the formula all the way down. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more of them. And if you want to go even deeper, I have a full course on Google Sheets in the links below.